How to send a GIF on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then select any of the profile where you want to send the GIF to. So I've selected this profile. Now in order to send the GIF, what you can simply do is tap on the GIF option which is beside the message option at the bottom. So tap on GIF. And then over here on the search bar, you can just search for any of the GIF that you want to send. So for example, if I'm going to search for the GIF of the puppy, I'm going to search by typing over here puppy and just wait until the required or something related to it pops up. So here you can see all the GIFs have come up in terms of what I have searched for. So I'm just going to send this particular one, and then as I send it, you can see the GIF has been sent, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.